Hello, my name is Dr. Nathaniel Chapman. I'm going to take the next 4 to 5 minutes to give an introduction of myself, then an introduction of the master course that I hope to see you in. So my name is Dr. Nathaniel Chapman. I currently teach at the University of California, San Diego, and I am a psychology assistant teaching professor, clinical psychology specifically. I have been in the mental health field since 2010 now, also been in the academic world since 2010, having taught at many different institutions throughout the United States. In my work as a mental health professional, I've seen a variety of populations from amputees to soldiers, Iraq, Afghanistan soldiers, to veterans, to people struggling with substance use. And I've worked with a number of mental health concerns like depression, anxiety, PTSD. I actually specialize in working with couples using a method called Gottman. In this course, we're going to tap into my experiences as a mental health professional and teach you about psychopathology, which is just a big word for mental illness. So you're going to learn more about anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, personality disorders. If you ever had questions about those things, what causes them, how do people treat them? If I were ever to get into a profession that works with mental health, what would that look like? This would be a good course for you to explore to give you a better idea about clinical psychology, a better idea about treatments for mental illness, and a better idea for how these professionals approach this scientifically. In addition to that, we're going to be looking at mental health on one end. We're going to look at mental wellness on another hand. Mental wellness has to do more with how you thrive and survive and be successful if you're not actually having mental illness. And so we're going to look at what your strengths are. We're going to take an assessment called True Colors, and True Colors is just a personality style assessment that will help us understand what your strengths are, areas that you could grow in, and how you bring those to different situations, specifically how you might bring them to a college situation, and should you want to be a student leader, how you can bring them to those situations. So when you leave this course, you have a broad understanding of mental illness. You have a broad understanding of what clinical psychologists do, what social workers do, even what psychiatrists do. Should you have an interest in those areas, this would be a great course for you to partake in. So I'm really hoping that you decide to sign up. There's plenty of opportunities for you to get more hands-on knowledge. We're going to be working through vignettes. A vignette is a case. So I'm going to bring in case studies that are going to be complex. They're going to mirror some experiences that I've had. You're going to get a chance to work through these vignettes, think about it like a psychologist. I'm going to teach you how to think about it like a psychologist, and therefore increase your critical thinking. And it'll be a great practice for thinking scientifically as you get ready to embark on the college journey and having the experience of a seasoned professor and clinician to walk you through this process. So I'm really looking forward to spending that time with you and hoping that you sign up.